Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is a video on how to install a remote control for your dump trailer. So there are quite a few remotes out there. You'll see guys that are using the winch remotes for cheap, but you got to put a couple diodes in and splice some wires. It's a little more screwing around. So if you want something that's just kind of plug and play, which I like the best because it just makes things easier if something goes wrong, or to hook it up and take it out, is this KTI kit. So KTI makes a plug-and-play kit with the 4-pin connectors in and out. So basically on your dump trailer, you'll have one is in for all your power, goes to your solenoids. Then it comes and it connects to your controller. So this is basically going to go in place of that. So you're going to hook your controller up to one of them and then your power up to the other one. Wire in your constant power with the fuse there to one of the hot leads or your battery, and the other to ground. Just mount it, and then there's an antenna extender for range that you can put outside or inside your dump trailer to get the most range out of your controller. I'm gonna wire that up real quick. Shouldn't take but 10 minutes to do it. If that, it's gonna take longer to mount the box, and I'll see how it works. Be back in a second. All right guys, so I got it all hooked up. Probably one of the easiest installs ever. Basically, you get the box, comes with some double-edged tape. You can mount it to the back. I wrapped it with some fabric cloth tape for like wiring harnesses. It automatically comes with the inline fuse. And basically, the two whips, like I said, they're just plug and play to your existing wiring on your 4-pin configuration on your dump trailer. So it's a matter of just hooking the one up to the one, the other to the other. You can't mix them up. They only go one way. And then you have a red for your 12-volt power. You hook it up to the top post on your solenoid or to the battery connector here. And then your ground, same deal. Just hook it to the ground. The light will blink every so many seconds, like once every 3 to 5 seconds, let you know it's powered up. And then all you have is the remote. It has a little pop battery that comes with it, and I have it configured to the Stillwell jack on the trailer, and basically it goes real smooth. There is an antenna. I just mounted to the inside. I closed the box here and just walked away from it like 100 feet, and it's more than fine. It goes no matter what, so I don't see any reason to put the antenna outside the box. Just put it on the inside and then try it out. But other than that, that should wrap it up. If you like it, let me know.
One last thing, guys, that has a safety feature in it where it automatically shuts off after not being used for so many minutes. You can also turn it on by holding both buttons on the controller at the same time for a few seconds, or shut it off doing the same thing so you don't accidentally dump your trailer if you had it in your pocket or something like that. So it is a nice, useful feature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.